Check out this blinged pumpkin. It's perfect for fall decor. I sold out of these at a local craft festival in less than an hour. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these. I use my WeCreat 40-watt laser cutter, and the software is so easy to use. Simply upload your image and select the type of material you're using for your project. The software sets the recommended power and speed for you. No need to manually focus the WeCreat either. It has an autofocus feature that beats most. Sending your design to be cut is as easy as clicking the start button in the software. It even tells you how long it's going to take. You can watch the cutting process through the safety glass, and in the software you can see the progress. This pumpkin outline turned out so cute. It's cut out of mahogany walnut and I love it. I then used the offset feature to create a solid pumpkin the same exact size as the outline. Creating the offset is similar to how you would do it in other software packages like Cricut, if you're familiar with that. And since I had already cut the outline layer, I told the software to ignore that when I went to cut this time. After autofocusing, I was able to see the material and position the design exactly where I wanted it. The outline cut flawlessly on basswood and is the exact size of the outline layer. I went ahead and painted the pumpkin orange and the stem green using what I had on hand, which was acrylic pour paint. I wasn't sure how that was going to work, but to my surprise, it turned out great. I decided to raise the center of the pumpkin to give it some dimension, so I went back into the software and cut the center oval out on the light color wood. Layering it on top of the dark oval cutout from the outline layer gave me the look I was looking for. Assembly was easy. And I used sublimation on light wood to give it this amazing look, but you could choose to leave it natural or paint it or whatever you'd like. I then added crushed glass with UV resin to the sides to fill it in, but you could also leave it painted, add glitter, or whatever you like. Make it your own. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and if you'd like to see a full tutorial on how to make this, let me know that as well. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified when we post new content. Happy crafting!